Hey folks, welcome to Verified Investing at InTheMoneyStocks.com. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. All right, today's video, folks, we're going to talk about SolarEdge. They reported earnings that did not meet Wall Street's expectations. The stock is down 24% on the day. This is a solar company. They make inverters and photovoltaic stuff. So again, that's what it is. Now, the one thing I noticed right away when I look at this stock, the stock had this massive run up over the last month or so, started to come in, and then basically has retraced the entire move to the upside. That's good. All right, that means that, again, this was kind of a blow off top, and now it's back to reality. This is a decent level right here at this 201 and change level. This is a level we were looking at for a day trade in the day trading room today, the live day trading room. In terms of a swing trade, though, you want to look for a lower level. The reason I say that is you still have to work off this little pop here, and really you don't just want to buy a stock, and this is great philosophy for day trading and swing trading. You don't want to just buy a stock because it's back down to support. You want to buy a stock because it has multiple factors of support, plus it's oversold, right? And what I would say here is that at this point, you've just negated this upward move. I wouldn't call this oversold at this point in time, which means on a swing trade basis, it likely is going to go lower in the coming weeks. For me, this is a clear-cut no-brainer right here. It's a gap fill. The 200 daily moving average is creeping up little by little. Probably over the next week, 200 is going to rise right to that level. The reason why you want that to happen is because it gives you a two-factor support level. And when you get a two-factor support level, right away you're jumping your odds from 60-40 success to about 80-20. And 80-20 is by far the range where I'm looking to take a trade. So if we were to come, let's say, into this gap fill over the next week or so, I will be looking right here to be a purchaser of this SEDG. At that point, that's a significant sell-off from the recent highs, which were over 300. The level here, just to be clear on that, let me bring it up again, 174. 174. So at that point, think about that. The stock again was as high as 320 virtually, and it's now, if it comes down to 174, you're talking about, at that point, an oversold condition in SEDG, SolarEdge technology. Plus the two factors, you got the big gap fill right here, the 200 rising up into that level, that sets up for a pretty trade. You can see if I zoom out, with the current sell-off, yeah, it's a nice sell-off off the highs, but look at where this stock was just going back to January of this year. So that's what I talk about when I say, yeah, it's a great sell-off today, but on a swing basis, you want it to go lower. I'd feel much more confident about a significant bounce if it gets down to this level. Now, in terms of a target, if it gets down to this level, where would it bounce back to? The clear signal would be right here. So you have the 50 MA that's turning over. That's going to start to come down. The 20 is going to come down faster. This would be your target right here, and that would be around 227. So you'd have just over a $50 gain for potential upside off that 174 level. And again, I think that risk reward at that point would be very intriguing as, again, think about it like this, right? You have a $50 upside, plus you have two factors of support. This will be more support right down here as well at the 153 level. There's lots of support down here, and again, the likely chance of a bounce. Don't forget, folks, you can follow me on Twitter at Gareth Soloway. You can also come to InTheMoneyStocks.com and find my services under my name. There's a drop down. You'll see verified investing alerts. You'll see verified options alerts. Just to give you a sense, in verified investing alerts, which is swing trades on stocks, 2 more winners today, folks. 2 more winners we closed out. Those are swing trades. We hold them overnight, at least for a day or so. And again, profits are, we've closed out 181 trades this year, 181 trades in 2020 so far, and net gain is now over 1,560%. Incredible price action, incredible profits for members, and again, the profits keep going. Have a great one, folks. Take care.